Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on ZTE Blade A55. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. Now I can click open, and here you can click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions, then select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Now you can go back and go back again and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.